Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create a responsive bento box grid layout in Figma. If you've ever scrolled through those gorgeous modern dashboards or websites and wondered how they pull off those neatly arranged, boxy sections, almost like the sections in a real bento lunchbox, then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to bring that same clean, modular look to your own projects in Figma. And more importantly, you'll be able to make sure your layouts adapt responsively, no matter the screen size. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Template and Tools section inside Figma. This is your treasure trove for pre-made layouts, inspiration, and time-saving assets. So up in the menu, look for where it says Templates, or sometimes it's within the Resources panel depending on your version, and open that up. Next, in the search bar, just type in Bento Box. You'll probably see quite a few results pop up. Take a moment here and scroll through the options. You're looking for a design that fits your needs, maybe one with a clean, minimal look or something more colorful depending on your style. The nice thing is, Figma's community has a lot to offer, so you can pick a layout that matches your vision or requirements. Once something catches your eye, go ahead and click on it. This will usually bring up a preview so you can get a feel for how the grid is structured. When you found your template, look for the Open in Figma button. Give that a click, and the template file will open right inside your own Figma workspace. Now, this next part is like grabbing your ingredients before you start cooking. You're going to want to copy the parts of the template you need into your own design file. It can be as simple as using CMD+C or Ctrl+C on Windows to copy and then CMD+V to paste into your working project. Take a second to make sure you're pasting into the correct page or frame. If you've got multiple projects or pages open, it's easy to lose track. This is your chance to arrange things just the way you want, removing any extra elements you don't need, or combining pieces from several templates if you're feeling adventurous. Now here, where you start making it your own, you want to add a grid layout. Select the frame or artboard where you pasted your template, then hop over to the right sidebar where you'll see a section called Layout Grid. Click the ++ icon to add a new grid. Figma lets you choose between columns, rows, or a regular square grid. Since bento box layouts are really all about neat, modular sections, I recommend playing with columns and rows and see what feels best for your design. A good rule of thumb is to set your grid so each box aligns perfectly with your modules or cards. This is what will help your design not only look sharp, but also stay organized and easy to adjust later on. Now customize your grid settings so that the measurements match your intended bento boxes. Maybe you want 3 columns with 24-pixel gutters or 6 smaller boxes with tighter spacing. Don't be afraid to experiment. A few tweaks here can make a big difference in how flexible your layout is, especially when the screen size changes. If you're not seeing things align just right, it's usually a simple fix. Adjust the margins or adjust the number of columns and rows. It might take a few moments of back and forth, and that's totally normal. Think of it like fitting puzzle pieces together until everything clicks into place. And remember, grids aren't set in stone. You can always come back and adjust them as your design evolves. That's it. You've now built a responsive bento box grid layout in Figma that you can reuse for dashboards, landing pages, portfolios, whatever you like. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about grid layouts or Figma in general, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to know about new tutorials coming up. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.